Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles in Premiere Pro. So the first step, you simply need to select any video in Premiere Pro. So here you can see that I selected a video clip. Okay, then you simply need to click on captions and graphics. So once you are here, you simply need to click on transcribe sequence. And here you need to click on transcribe. It will take few seconds depend on your PC specifications. So you need to wait for a few seconds here. It is transcribing. Once transcribing is done, you simply need to click on create captions and click on create. So now you can see that captions are added onto my video. Here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can add subtitles in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.